So hello everyone, this is Mohit Prithyani and welcome to my channel Mr. Lazy Tech. And this video is all about the 5 best soundbars which are available in the market at this time in 2020 based on the sound quality, bass quality and overall value for money. So I'll let you know 5 soundbars which you can buy without any second thought. So hope you like this one, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So let's get started. Coming to the fifth on the list, I have kept the MI Soundbar 8. If you have a strict budget of approximately 5000 rupees only, you can definitely grab the MI Soundbar 8. It comes with 8 sound drivers for better music and surrounding sound, you can say. It is very easy to set up और बहुत ही sleek design दिया गया है from MI, and इसमें आपको aux connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, optical connectivity मिल जाएगी. That is a plus point. And इस price range में they have given a very good sound quality and decent bass, you can say adequate bass they have given at this price range. So for a small party of approximately 10 to 20 people, you can definitely use this one. And अगर आपका small hall है, you can definitely place this one below your TV, and you can connect through your phone, your Bluetooth device, any with your TV, and all types of connectivity they have given with this one. So if you have a budget of approximately 5000 rupees only, you can grab the MI Soundbar 8 from Amazon, and this is number 5th on the list. Coming to the 4th on the list, I have kept the JBL Bar 2. So if you want a JBL branding of soundbar at approximately 7000 rupees only, with a very crystal clear and decent sound output of 30 watts and decent bass, you can definitely grab this one. You'll be getting all types of connectivity like aux connectivity, HDMI connectivity, USB connectivity, optical connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity. So all types of connectivity they have given with this JBL Bar 2. And if you want a decent sound bar with a crystal clear sound quality and a decent bass and a very sleek design and very easy to access through remote only of your TV as well, that is a plus point. You can definitely grab the JBL Bar 2 at 7000 rupees from Amazon. This is number 4th on the list I have kept. Coming to the 3rd on the list, I have kept the Creative Stage 160 watts of sound bar. So this is one of the finest sound bars at this price range. The price approximately has 7500 rupees only, but at this price range they have given a very loud sound. So 160 watts power output, so you can just imagine इसका sound बहुत ही loud है. For enough means more than enough for approximately 50 to 60 persons gathering. You can enjoy the sound with this one, as well as if you have a big hall and for a big party, you can definitely use this one. And इसका जो bass है वो भी बहुत ही powerful and punchy bass है. This price range they have given, and you'll be getting all types of connectivity, including the aux connectivity, optical connectivity, TV R connectivity, USB connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, and all types of connectivity they have given with this one. And there is no issue regarding that. अगर आपका budget approximately 7500 rupees है, around 8000 rupees, you can definitely grab this one. और आपका जो need है, you want means for a big hall and for a big party, you want to enjoy good music and thumpy bass, you can definitely grab the Creative Stage 160 watts of power output, and this is number 3rd on the list. Coming to the 2nd on the list, I have kept the Blaupunkt SBW02. This is the 100 watts of sound bar. इसका जो sound quality है, they have given a very crystal clear of sound quality with this one, with a very adequate and punchy bass, you can say. इसका 100 watts of sound output है, and you'll be getting approximately 8000 rupees from Amazon. इसको मैंने सेकंड नंबर पे इसलिए रखा है क्योंकि रियलिटी में जो इसका साउंड आउटपुट है बहुत ही क्रिस्टल क्लियर है एट दिस प्राइस रेंज. जो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 15 to 20,000 के साउंड बर्स आते हैं, ब्रांडेड साउंड बर्स आते हैं दूसरे ब्रांड्स के, उसका कंपेरेबल इसमें जो आउटपुट दिया गया है, दे हैव गिवन द मैचिंग साउंड आउटपुट विद दिस वन. And you'll be getting all types of connectivity, including the aux connectivity, optical connectivity, USB connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, HDMI R connectivity. So all types of possible connectivities they have given with this soundbar. That's why I kept this soundbar on the number 2, and you can buy it from Amazon at approximately 8000 rupees. Coming to the first on the list, I have kept the Boat Avant 120 watts of soundbar. This is one of the soundbar which I'll personally recommend all of you. अगर आपका बजट approximately है 7500 rupees, you can definitely grab this one. आप आग बंद करके इसको चूज़ कर सकते हैं. इसका जो डिज़ाइन दिया गया है, they have given a very sleek and premium design. आपको लगेगा approximately 20 to 30,000 rupees का ये soundbar है, and जिसका power output है, इसका 120 वाट्स ऑफ पावर आउटपुट है. बहुत ही क्रिस्टल क्लियर साउंड है. इसका साउंड क्वालिटी बहुत ही क्रिस्पी एंड मीन्स आपको इतना पसंद आएगा, यू वोंट रिग्रेट इट दैट आफ्टर परचेजिंग दिस साउंड बार. एंड इसका बेस क्वालिटी बहुत ही थम्पी है. सो अगर आप एक बिग हॉल पार्टी के लिए भी अगर आप इसको लेते हैं और आई मीन फॉर गैदरिंग अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 40 to 50 persons, you can definitely enjoy the music through this sound bar. And you'll be getting all types of connectivity like aux connectivity, optical connectivity, USB connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, HDMI R connectivity. So all types of possible connectivities are also given with this soundbar at this price range. So अगर पर्सनली आप मुझसे रिकमेंड करेंगे, so I'll definitely tell you to buy the Boat Avant 120 watts of soundbar without any second choice. So keep my words and go with this one. So these were the 5 soundbars which I told you these are best running in the market at this time, and it's totally your decision according to your convenience and budget. You can definitely grab any of these. I'm also leaving all the links of the soundbars in the description below. You can click from there and buy it from there as well. And if you have any questions regarding any of the soundbar, you can leave me in the comment section. I'll help you out with that. So this was all about the 5 best soundbars in India under 10,000 rupees. So hope you like this one. And as I told you, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So thank you for watching this one, and see you in the next video. Thank you.